with the Austin axle painted and now top coated, got to install it on the chassis. So these pins here, okay, slide through on the end of the chassis. They slide through these bronze bushes. All right, that's a good one. That grips that on the end of the leaf spring. Brilliant. But I've got 3 good ones and one that looks like that. I'm going to say that's been new too long. Let's make another one on the lathe. Pratt. That's the old one. That's the shiny new one. Look at that. One in that side. One in that side. There we go. How nice is that? Let's fit the axle. Call that a win. That's the axle fitted. Time to bugger about with hubs next. It's time for Thatchers as well. Take it easy.